Go.
So, Cor, we need to decide who's going to be in our wedding.
Yeah, okay.
Holly, Megan, come here.
Hi.
What's up?
Hey.
So, you know we're getting married.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
That's huge.
And I want y'all to be in it.
Ooh, yeah. What do you want us to do?
I don't know. I haven't decided.
Can we be
Flower girls! All right.
And
let's find out.
wait, can Stanley be the ring bearer?
Sure.
That's perfect.
All right.
We'll practice.
Let's practice just
Okay.
to make sure. Come on, Cor.
Okay.
I guess we'll stay here. Great.
Now don't walk down the aisle.
No, Holly, no. You're too big. No, this is just weird. No.
What about Stanley?
Stanley.
Come on, you gotta do this. Audition.
He doesn't want to. What are you going to do?
Oh, no. What are we going to do?
I know.
Can you be our flower girl and our ring bearer?
All of you?
All of you. Because I love y'all and I want y'all to be in my wedding.